Hi, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. In today's episode, we're going to be practicing a few asanas that will be very helpful for you if you have knocked knees. Knocked knees is a condition where your knees don't fall right above the ankles, but instead they start to drop in towards each other. Now this can be structural, your bones could just be made that way, or due to overuse of certain muscles, movement patterns and your posture, certain muscles can become tight and make the knees fall in towards each other. Now, correcting knocked knees does take a while. It takes a lot of practice and effort, and you need to strengthen as well as stretch these muscles. In today's video, we're going to focus on asanas that will help you to stretch muscles that tend to become tight and release when they tend to become a little stiff. Let's get into the practice. We're going to start off seated, but remember you can do these asanas even on your bed and they can also be adapted to a chair. So first we're going to extend both the legs forward and we're going to take the right ankle and place it on top of the left thigh. Now it depends on your flexibility whether your knee is really up or it reaches all the way down to the floor. Don't worry about that. We're just going to hold on to the foot and to the knee and start flapping. Be very gentle when you start. As and when you get comfortable, you can make the flaps bigger and faster. Let's do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now you're going to place your left palm down next to you for support. Use your right palm on your thigh, and as you exhale, very gently start to press the thigh down towards the floor. Don't do it with a lot of force. Gradually, with the breath, as you exhale, release as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release the leg. From here, you're going to inhale, lift both your arms up. As you exhale, lengthen forward and just reach for the toes. You don't have to collapse over the leg and reach your head towards the knee. You're just going to keep it an open forward fold. Focus on allowing this thigh to go closer to the floor and observe the sensation around your knees here. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. This can also be done dynamic. If staying here for a long time is too challenging, you can fold forward and come back up. Fold forward and come up. Fold forward. Once the dynamic version becomes more comfortable, you can stay there. Let's do another 3, 2, and 1. Inhale and slowly come up. Exhale, release. Let's switch sides. Extend the right leg forward. Bend the left knee, left ankle on the right thigh. We'll start with the flapping first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Place your right palm down. As you exhale, very gently start pressing the thigh down. One side might feel different from the other. It totally depends on each individual's body. So respect where you are and take it easy. 1, 2. At any point during your practice, you should be able to breathe comfortably. 3, 4, and 5. Release. Let's place the fingertips on either side. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale and up. Exhale and reach forward. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Last one. Inhale, lift your arms up. This time as you exhale, reach forward to the toes and you're going to stay there for 1. When you're folding forward, make sure the knee is not lifting up in towards your chest. Allow it to move down towards the floor. 3, 4, 5. Inhale and come up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Now we're going to bring the soles of the feet together into Baddha Konasana. Here you can either hold the big toes with a 3-finger grip or hold on to the feet. So we're going to do the flapping first here again. So start to move the thighs up and down. 1. This will help to release any tension around your inner thighs, which tend to get tight because your knees are knocked in towards each other. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here once again we're going to do one leg at a time. So left hand down, right palm is going to press the thigh down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Place the right hand down, left palm on the thigh. As you exhale, gently press your thigh down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. If you're very comfortable with both the legs going close to the floor, we can try to go forward in this position. So we're going to hold on to the feet. That gives you the grip. From here, take an inhale, lengthen forward. Don't try to get the forehead down. Instead, think you're getting your chin onto the floor. So lengthen ahead, lean forward. Once your elbows start to touch the thighs, use your elbows to press the thighs down. Keep lengthening forward as far as you can go and breathe. 1, hold at your maximum. 2, keep breathing. 3, 4 and 5. Inhale and slowly come back up. Then we're going to do one more variation here. You're going to move your heels forward, and now if you look down, you can see like a diamond shape in between the legs. From here, you're going to move only your left foot back into butterfly. So one leg is in a diamond position, one leg is in Baddha Konasana. Hold on to your ankles. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale and lean forward again, pressing the thigh down. Bring the awareness to the outer hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and slowly come up, and let's switch legs. So your left foot goes forward, move the right heel back, hold on to the ankles, inhale and lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Use the elbow to start gently pressing the thigh down. Again, no force. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and slowly come back up. We're going to bring the knees together and turn to one side. Let's come into a tabletop position on all fours. From here, as you inhale, you're first going to step the right foot forward between your palms. Okay? Blocks will be very, very useful here. It will help you to experience the posture and also enhance the posture. You can bring the blocks on either side of the right foot. From there, we're going to straighten the right knee. Okay? We're going to do a dynamic movement here. Before that, I just wanted to show you how to place the leg. So instead of placing the leg straight in a standard half split position, you want to turn your heel outwards a bit. Okay, so we're trying to work on the outer hamstring here. So from here, bring the blocks in. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Just focus on the torso movement. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. One last time. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Let's stay there and breathe. 1, 2. If you're not very stable over here, feel free to slide your heel forward a little bit more. 3, 4. When you get very comfortable, you can also reduce the height of the block. And 5. Slowly come up, remove the blocks, and from there you're going to bend your right knee, come into a lunge position. Bring the palms on the waist. My right foot is in front. I'm going to take my left palm to the back of my head, right palm to the waist. This is to open out through the outer hip on the side and also your lower back. Take an inhale, and as you exhale, start bending towards the right side. Make sure when you're bending, you're not arching the back. Keep the ribs drawn in, tailbone tucked in, and go in for the lateral bend. Stay there and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale back to center. Bring your fingertips down. You're going to scoot your right foot towards your left palm and get into pigeon pose. Inhale, sit tall. As you exhale, lean forward, forehead down to the floor. We'll stay here for 5 breaths. Here again, if you need a little bit of support for the head, you can always place a block and keep the elbows bent. If you're very, very comfortable, go all the way down. Make sure you're not dropping the hip towards your right side. You want to bring your left hip towards the heel. So start to square the hips and stay in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly walk the palms back. From here, you're going to swing your left leg all the way across to the front into Janu Shirshasana. We're going to tweak the Janu Shirshasana slightly. Instead of keeping the toes pointing up, again we're going to turn the leg out slightly. Inhale and lift your arms up. Exhale and reach forward. Stay. Here again, I'm focusing on lengthening the spine, not focusing on going close to my leg at all. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and slowly come up. Exhale, bring your arms down. Take your left leg all the way back and get back into tabletop position. And we're going to quickly repeat this to the other side. So you're going to bring the left foot forward between your palms. Bring the blocks in. Again, you're going to slide the heel forward depending on your comfort. You have to be stable first. Then slowly start to straighten your left knee. Turn the left toes out, focusing on the outer part of the hamstring. From there, inhale, spine tall. Exhale, down. 1. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 2. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 3. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 4. Inhale, up. If you're very comfortable, reduce the height of the block. Go a little closer and stay for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Remove the blocks. Bend the left knee, coming into a lunge or a variation of Anjaneyasana. Lift the chest up, palms on the waist. Now my right palm is going to go to the back of my head. Make sure you have a neutral pelvis, ribs relaxed. Inhale, slightly send the hip forward. Exhale and start to bend to your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to neutral. Bring your fingertips down. Move your left foot towards your right palm and you're going to get the knee down. Now, how much you open out your shin again depends on your comfort. If you're very, very comfortable, you can bring it parallel to the mat. But you can start off with the heel closer to the hip. Again, center your hips and then slowly fold forward. Still very comfortable here. You can go all the way down. Also, respect your body where it is right now. Your right might feel different from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently walk your palms back and you're going to get your right leg all the way to the front into Janu Shirshasana. In Janu Shirshasana, remember to turn the foot out slightly. Inhale and lift your arms up. Exhale and lean forward and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and come up. Exhale and relax. So those were a few of the asanas and tweaks to the asanas that you can practice to release and relieve your muscles of any stiffness if you have knocked knees. Also remember, this stiffness could be because the muscles start to get weaker because of overuse, so don't forget to strengthen these muscles as well. I really hope this video was helpful and I'll see you in the next one.